Good morning, children. Now, when we were having our discussion session during the Zoom class, you people told me that you are not able to understand how to find the root of 13. Now, I told you to write the squares till number 25, starting from 1 to 25. So there I told you that 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, all these are the perfect square numbers. Why these are perfect square numbers? Because suppose I take 25 and I write its prime factors 5, 5 and 1. So 25 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5. And when I have to write its root, means this sign is also going to be here, then only they are going to be equal. Now in order to remove this sign of square root from this pair, I'll take out 1, 5. Then the sign is removed. Now you might be confused with the number 13. 13 itself is a prime number. 13 itself is a prime number. Even if we go with 2 or 3, we cannot write their perfect roots. That also need to be calculated. Now how to find out the root for 13? Because if there is root 4, I can straight away write 2 multiplied by 2 and my answer is going to be 2, because from this pair I'll take 1, 2 out. Similarly, I'll do one more for you where you have more than 144. Root of 144. So what will you do? Write the prime factors for 144. 2, 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9. Now it will go with 3, 3 and 3, 1. Is it okay? These are the prime factors. Now write under root 144. Put again this sign. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. Now write all the factors of the prime factorization here for 144. Now make the pairs. From each pair, take 1 and the sign of the root, it goes away and your answer becomes 12. This is when the number is a perfect square number. Now when the number is not a perfect square number, what to do? That comes with a long division method. That method is called long division method. Okay? आपका सिंपल डिवीजन और इस डिवीजन में स्क्वायर रूट का फाइंड आउट करने की डिवीजन में डिफरेंस क्या है? टेबल स्क्वायर्स वाले चलेंगे. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 4, like this. ठीक है? और आप सिंपल डिवीजन में फर्स्ट टाइम तो कितने भी डिजिट्स ले लेते थे. ठीक है? यहाँ पे पर डिजिट्स कितने लेने, पेयर्स में लेने हैं। डिजिट्स किस में लेने हैं, पेयर्स में। एंड फर्स्ट डिजिट तो आप जैसा है आपके पास आप वैसा ही लेंगे, आपको मैं दोनों